Hello everyone, I'm Adele, and welcome back to the FIFA World Cup Simulator project, where we're building a complete tournament engine in Power Query, one query at a time. Today we're building query number 4, tied teams same points. In the previous query, we successfully built the official group stage standings. Every team now has a single summary record containing its complete performance throughout the group stage. But football tournaments rarely end with every team having a unique number of points. Very often, two or more teams finish with exactly the same total. Before we can apply FIFA's official tie-breaking rules, we first need to identify which teams are actually tied. That's exactly what this query is designed to do. Our query simply identifies those tied teams and groups them together. The query begins with the group stage standings created in query number 3. The first step groups teams according to two simple values, their group and their total points. Every team sharing both values is placed into the same temporary collection. At this point, we're not deciding anything, we're simply organizing the data. Most point totals belong to only one team. Those aren't ties, so the next step removes every group containing only a single team. What's left are the genuine ties that require FIFA's tie-breaking rules. This dramatically reduces the amount of work for the queries that follow. Now that we've isolated every tied group, we give each one its own unique identity. Every tie receives a tie group ID. We also create a friendly label describing the situation. For example, Group A, 4 points, 2 tied teams. These identifiers make debugging easier and help us follow every tie throughout the remaining stages of the tournament. Finally, we sort the tied groups by their points. At this stage, we still haven't decided which team ranks higher. We've simply identified every situation where FIFA's official tie-breaking rules must be applied. Think of this query as creating a work list for the ranking engine. Now that we understand the business idea, let's see how Power Query implements it. We begin with the standings generated in query number 3. Using Group By, we collect teams that belong to the same group and have the same number of points. For each collection, we store the complete team records, create a simple list of team IDs, and count how many teams belong to that group. Next, we remove every collection containing only one team, because those teams aren't tied. Finally, we assign each remaining tie a unique identifier and a descriptive label before sorting the result. The outcome is a clean list of every tie that still needs to be resolved. Instead of asking every team to compete again, we've identified exactly where FIFA's tie-breaking process needs to begin. This makes every following query simpler, faster, and much easier to understand. In query number 5, head-to-head matches, we'll extract only the matches played between the tied teams. Those matches form the foundation of FIFA's official head-to-head tie-breaking rules. That's where the real investigation begins.